Hey, this is Skipen. If you've been following the channel, you know I'm a big fan of the iPad mini. It's larger than a phone, but not too big, and it provides a really great balance of portability and productivity for many of my artistic endeavors. I use the mini 2 as a cell phone replacement and even tried to get some drawing done with Bluetooth Styli, but my love for the mini form factor really got started with the mini 5. It brought one of the best drawing experiences in the form of the Apple Pencil and a number of excellent drawing apps to an ultra-portable size, but even at the time it felt a little outdated with that lightning port and the thicker bezels. With the announcement of the Mini 6, I feel that now creators will have access to this modern portable tool, and I've already reserved mine, but I want to go through some of the most important features that I think will distinguish the Mini 6 from the Mini 5. With the release of the Mini 6, we see a much needed improvement to both cameras, and beyond just the boost for FaceTime, or having access to the new cool center stage feature, I think that one of the most underrated features of iPads is their ability to capture excellent photo and video. It may be something inherited from the iPhone, but it's not an insignificant feature when you consider the fact that the iPad can be your only device used to both capture and edit video. In the past, iPads have been able to capture 4K video, but having it in the mini form factor is going to be really nice. It can be really awkward to handhold an iPad like this one, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, to get some B-roll or to capture a selfie video, but the ultra portable mini is less awkward to hold for filming, and it's a lot easier to always have on hand to capture some nice footage or get your voice out there when you need to. Of course, with this new redesign, we lose the headphone jack, so recording audio on external devices like mics is going to be a little bit more difficult for those that want to take video on their iPad, but the saving grace is we get a USB-C port. I feel very confident in the fact that the iPad mini 5 will be my last lightning-based device, and I'm really happy to be able to ditch that cord and just be able to carry around one USB-C cord to charge a variety of my devices. But it's not just about charging. The USB-C port, along with Apple's Files app, makes backup and file transfer so much easier. With the Mini 5, I felt like I always had to use AirDrop or some cloud-based solution because the Lightning to USB connectors were such a pain. The USB-C port also brings along different connectivity options like, say, connecting a camera or other artistic devices that were not previously available on the Mini 5. The Mini size can be very beneficial for using on the go or in the field, and the USB-C port is really going to be a big deal for many creators. With the Lightning port gone, we also say goodbye to the first generation Apple Pencil. And I feel like the Apple Pencil 2 will make this more of a cohesive package, being able to charge and store it right on the iPad itself instead of being loose in your bag. But there's one feature of the Apple Pencil 2 that I don't think many people will consider when it comes to the iPad mini, but that capacitive shortcut button I think will come in very handy for those that like to draw on public transportation or while they're on the go and don't want to bring along a keyboard or other accessories. It's something that I don't really use on, say, this 12.9-inch iPad Pro because typically when I'm working on it, I always have a keyboard available to access my shortcuts and other things like that. But while you're on the go, if you want to have just a bare bones kit, being able to switch tools or undo redo depending on what kind of app you're using and its compatibility is going to be a game changer for those that like to sketch and draw on the go. So those are my most anticipated features when it comes to the iPad mini 6. Let me know if you have anything else you're looking forward to, or if you have any questions or concerns. Like I said, I pre-ordered the device and I'm going to hopefully get it on day one so I can start live streaming and making review videos about it. And I always try to answer people's questions or concerns in upcoming videos, so get subscribed to see that. I'm Skipen, and thank you so much for watching.